Hey guys, welcome back to another kooky video. Wait, this is the first one. Yeah, pretty cool. So, I just got this fidget spinner a couple of weeks ago, and I think it's pretty cool, but I think we can do something better with it. So as you can see, I'm very low budget, and I'm only a teen, so let's try and open these caps and see these babies in action. Ooh, off like a gem. Fun. Now this is what I call selling out. I mean a fidget spinner bearing. And as you can see right here, they are covered in this metal thing. So let's see what we can do with that. Now this is a sink. This is a fidget spinner. When water meets metal, little lesson here, when water meets metal, it'll rust. I think I got some water on my fidget spinner. Well, to fix this, what you're gonna want to do is the following steps. Step 1, shake it off. This will get some of the excess water out of it. Step 2, get some Vaseline. It doesn't matter what kind of Vaseline, as long as you have Vaseline. I like to use the gel. So let's see this. Get your Vaseline. Step 3, get your Vaseline in that fidget spinner. Real good. Like that. See that? Yeah. Ooh, that looks nice. I think that's a little too little, so let's get a bit more. Just a little bit more. So as you can see, we've got a nice thin layer of Vaseline on my fidget spinner. Let's go wash my hands now. That's disgusting. Forgot what step it is, but whatever step it is, let's add some soap. That'll make it run cleaner. Nice. And then after that, you're going to want to get any liquids or pastes like this or toothpaste that you can find to balance out the soap and Vaseline. So just keep that in there. Get our toothpaste. Put some in there. There we go. So then you're going to want to put it in the freezer. So you put it in the freezer, which is right here. We can let it freeze, and that'll freeze the water. That will definitely not slow down your fidget spinner. Now, if any of you are over the age of any intellectual thought, so probably around the age of 10, if you're over the age of 10, just stop watching, because this is only for the little kids. Because secretly I don't want them to find out that this is going to ruin their fidget spinner, but whatever. Yeah, but now we're gonna go watch some TV. So for a little cool step that you can do, okay guys, it's time to check on the spinner. Okay guys, we're back. Let's check it out. Ooh, it looks nice and frozen in there. Let's see how frozen it really is. Let's see if it's ready. I think it's ready. Let's go and put this in the final step. Now I know this seems redundant, but you're gonna put it back in water. So let's dip it in. Now you're going to want to shake it back off a little. Then you're going to want to wash your hands a little. Make sure you don't get your fidget spinner wet. Then you're going to want to put the caps back on. And it should spin like it's new. So, get it going. Give it a little push. And would you look at that? It spins. One sec. I need to wash it off, guys. Put it back on. Turn it off and spin it. Look at it, guys. Look at it go. I only pushed it once and it's still going for so long, guys. Look at, oh my God, look at it. And it's so silent. Listen to it. Uh-oh, I think I dropped it. I don't want to drop it again, so let me take it back to the basement. This is a revised fidget spinner. It should be the best fidget spinner that you have ever seen in your entire life. Now, if you did your steps correctly, it should look a little like this. Destroy it. Should work better. You just do that to it a couple of times. Maybe it'll be better. One sec. Let me look at it. It spins so well. Ugh. Oh my God, guys, look. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, look, it spins so well. Huh. Maybe that's the wrong tool. I think this might be the real deal, guys. If we just push on it decently hard. Look at that, guys. It's so good. Check it out, guys. It's crazy. Look at it. It's intense. Look at... Look at that, guys. Wow. That's so crazy, guys. Look at this. That's so cool. Guys, look. Oh my God, I have to do some more editing to this one because it's so good. Look at it, guys. It's so crazy. Oh my God.